Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you a remarkable vehicle that has been a staple of the automotive industry for over a decade, the Mazda Cx-5. This exceptional car has a rich and fascinating history that I'm excited to share with you. The Mazda Cx-5 was first introduced to the world in 2012 as a replacement for the Mazda Tribute. At the time, the Cx-5 was a game-changer in the compact SUV market, offering a unique blend of style, performance, and practicality. Its sleek and aerodynamic design was a departure from the more boxy and utilitarian SUVs that dominated the market at the time. The Cx-5 was designed to be a driver's car, with a focus on handling and performance. It featured a range of advanced technologies, including Mazda's innovative Skyactiv engine and transmission technology. This technology allowed the Cx-5 to deliver exceptional fuel efficiency, without sacrificing performance. Over the years, the Mazda Cx-5 has undergone several significant updates and redesigns. In 2017, the Cx-5 was completely redesigned, with a new, more aggressive exterior design and a range of advanced safety features. This redesign helped to cement the Cx-5's position as one of the top-selling compact SUVs in the world. Today, the Mazda Cx-5 is available in a range of trim levels, including the Sport, Touring, Grand Touring, and Signature. Each trim level offers a unique combination of features and technologies, allowing buyers to choose the Cx-5 that best fits their needs and lifestyle. Throughout its history, the Mazda Cx-5 has received widespread critical acclaim for its exceptional performance, handling, and design. It has been named one of the best compact SUVs in the world by numerous automotive publications and organizations. In conclusion, the Mazda Cx-5 is a truly exceptional vehicle that has established itself as one of the top-selling and most critically acclaimed compact SUVs in the world. Its rich history, innovative design, and exceptional performance make it a must-see for anyone in the market for a new vehicle.